Hello, my students. How are you? Group 2. Today we'll explain from المعاصر book, Cumulative Test number 16, the lesson 8, unit 3. First question. Number 1. In the given figure, is the volume of cylinder 100 by cubic centimeter. What is the value of each? We want to find the height. We know the volume equal base area times the height. He gave me the volume was 100 by equivalent to base area. Base area was by r power 2 times h by r power 2 with that by height. Okay, the rule about find the volume. He gave me the volume and then I will simplest. Cancel by, and here height we can find it like 100 equal r power 2. The radius here was 5, then 5 power 2 it will be 25. We have 100 equal radius power 2. The radius here was 5. 5 power 2 is 25. Product of the height. Then the height will be 100 divided 25. It will be 4. And the height will be 4 centimeter. Choose letter C. The height about cylinder. Next question. What is the slope? Our number 2. What is the slope of straight line passing through 2 points? We can find the slope by find the difference between y2 and y1 and x2, x1 is the denominator. The slope equal 0 minus 3 over 2 minus 1. It will be 2 plus 1. The difference between y2 and y1 over x2 minus x1. Next, 0 minus 3, it will be negative 3. And 2 plus 1, 3. And the result will be negative 1. Then the slope will be negative 1. Choose letter B. Next question. What is the slope of straight line which the function f of x equal negative 3? F of x equal negative 3 is meaning the straight line passing through the point 2 and 0 and negative 3 and parallel to x-axis. Which the straight line parallel to x-axis, then the slope will be 0. And if the straight line parallel to y-axis will be undefined. So in the example here, the slope will be 0. Undefined when it will parallel to y-axis. Next question. Is the distance between 2 points equal 10? What is the set of possible value of k? Okay, here give me the distance. We can put the rule, the distance between any 2 points, x2 minus x1 all power 2, then 5 minus 1, it will be plus 1 all power 2, and k minus 0 all power 2. The result will be 10. We can write the answer by simplest. Put square root from right hand side, this will power 2, and this power 2. Okay, to cancel the square root. Then 5 plus 1 power 2 plus k minus 0, it will be k power 2. 10 power 2, it will be 100. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 power 2, 36. Then k power 2 will be equal 100 subtract by 36. It will be 64. Then the value of k will be a positive or negative square root of 64 equals positive or negative 8. In the solution, here the value of set possible about k will be a positive or negative 8. Choose letter B. Next question, number 5. In the given figure, you want to prove that or find the value of x which satisfies this. Measure of angle ABD greater than 180. ABD greater than 180. Okay, greater than 180, it's meaning it's opposite angle. I will prove that. Find the value of x. Then the opposite about this side, x plus 1, is greater than the opposite about this side in this triangle, greater than AC. Okay, and we know x plus 1 in this triangle greater than and less than the sum and the difference between two sides here. Okay, we can find the difference between 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1, and 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then x greater than and less than. We can subtract 1 from left hand side and right hand side in the middle. That's 0, and 7 minus 1 equals 6. then x greater than 0 and less than 6. And also, we have two triangles. We have 3 and 3 and 4. This line segment AC, here x plus 1 greater than EC. We know EC. Can you see now? Okay, we know EC was greater than less, subtract between 4 and 3, 1, and 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, and x plus 1, we can put here the x EC, x plus 1 greater than EC, and EC greater than 1 and less than 7. And what about the value of x? We know x plus 1 also, yes, greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0. If we put negative, move negative here, then it x greater than negative 1, but x greater than 0 or less than 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4. We know the sum if any two sides to be greater than the third, then x plus 1 must be greater than the third. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, and this obtuse angle also. Okay. We can also find the length of EC from Pythagoras theorem here. Look at here. It's 4 centimeters. Then EC will be 5 centimeters from Pythagoras theorem. Okay. You know 4 power 2. We know EC power 2 equal to 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. Then EC equals square root of 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. It will be 5 centimeters. The length here 5 centimeters. We know x plus 1 is greater than 5. Then x greater than 4 because it's obtuse angle. He tell me this angle greater than 90 degrees. Then AD will be greater than EC. AD greater than EC. AD was x plus 1. Then x plus 1 greater than 5. So x will be greater than 4. Greater than 4. And also x lies between 0 and 6. Lies between 0 and 6. The intersection between together from 4 to 6. So the solution will be letter B. X will be greater than 4 and less than 6. Okay? This is the solution about this question. Next question. If x and y set two sets, which of the following represent the function from x to y? Okay, function meaning each element in x has only one image in RAR. We can find 1, 2, 3. Look at here 1, 2, 3. So it's a function because its image in x has only one image in R. Okay, proves that the points are collinear. Collinear, it's meaning 3 points is the same point by 2 methods. We can find the distance between first and second and third and 1. And if the greatest length is equivalent to sum of two smallest sides, then we call it collinear. Or you can find by the slope. You can find the answer by finding the slope. Okay, slope about AB and BC. If slope AB equal BC and M common between them, then they are collinear. Such that I will find the slope of AB. We have A and B, 1 minus 0 over 8 minus 3. It will be 1 over 5. And then slope of BC, we have B and C here. Look at here, negative 2 minus 1 and negative 7 minus 8. Negative 2 minus 1, it will be negative 3. Negative 7 minus 8 will be negative 15. We can sample as the result will be 1 over 5. Such that M of AB, slope of AB, equivalent to slope of BC, and B will be polling to AC. Then A, B, C are collinear. A, B, and C are collinear. They are collinear. Okay. Next question. In the given figure, ABCD rectangle with dimension 8 and 6 finds the length of EB. Where EB? EB here. You won't find the length EB. First, we have 6 and 8. We can find this line segment from Pythagoras theorem. It will be what? Who can tell me 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2? And then 5 square root. The result will be 10 centimeter. 6 power 2 36 and 8 power 2 64. 64 plus 36 100. Square root of 100 equal 10. In the line segment here will be 10 centimeter. But he won't find this. Now I will find what? Find this part. BF. How find BF? BF perpendicular. Then 6 times 8 divided by 10, we can find the length of BF. 6 times 10 divided by 6 divided by 8 divided by 10. It will be 4.8 centimeter. This line segment 4.8 centimeter. Okay. He won't find EB. EB all. Who can tell me find EB here? We found this line segment 4.8. I will find now the length of this part from this triangle. Who can tell me? We have this 10 centimeter. Okay. And now I want to find the length of FB from Euclid's theorem. 6 power 2. We have this line segment of 6. Okay. This 6, then 6 power 2. Equivalent to FB. FB is a conjunct product by FB. FB was 4.8. Product by the length here BE. We want to find the length of BE. Then BE equal 6 power 2. It will be 36 over 4.8. We can product by 10 or using calculator to find the answer. 360 over 48. You can divide it by 12. It will be 4. And here 30 divided by 12 up and down. And then divided by 2, 15 divided by 2. The result will be 7.5 centimeter. You can use calculator to find the answer. Okay, so we can find the length here from Euclid's theorem. CB power 2 equals the conjunct of CB product by the hypotenuse. 4.8 times pi EF, and we can find BF. We can find our BE. This BE, okay? BE here. We can find BE by 6 power 2 divided by 4.8. Okay, now I finished. Next time I will explain new lesson. Okay, goodbye.